So this is the homogenizer, and what we're going to do is we're going to run some mix of alcohol and cream, and we're going to make like a cream liqueur. So I have my ingredients weighed out and I have it heated up, and what I'm doing now is just I'm running some hot water through the homogenizer, heat up the plate here. In the plate we've got stage 1 and stage 2, so it's like a positive pump, and we're going to send our sample through it now. So I'm just going to add in our sample, and then we should see it coming through fairly soon. This is it. Okay, so we're going to collect it here in this container. So this is the first time going through the homogenizer, so it's still quite dark. We might just play around with the pressures on it. As you can see, I'm adjusting this with my left hand. And there we go, it's coming through a lighter colour there now. So we'll lift sample number 2 is the first time going through the homogenizer. Sample number 1 I lifted before we went through the homogenizer. Sample number 2. Just grab one of these. Now, so we watched going through the sample, we collect everything in this container here, and then we'll put it back through the homogenizer again. So we're going to put this through the homogenizer twice. So the idea of the homogenizer is to homogenize the cream, the alcohol, all the dry ingredients, all the wet ingredients together, so we get a homogeneous sample. All right, so first pass through the homogenizer is nearly all gone through. I'm going to catch now and go for the second pass. So this is going to go back in here again now. And we'll let it run through. Just going to play again with this. Okay, so it depends on the total solids on your product that you're putting through, how you can play with the valves on the homogenizer. All right, so this is going to be sample number 3. So it's the second time through the homogenizer, and we're going to take these samples then and do some quality tests on them. So the idea of the homogenizer, we'll explain it in class, the working behind it, but we want to get sample number 3 just so that we can see has the sample homogenized. So we're going to let it run through there for another while. You can already see sample number 1, sample number 2, and sample number 3. You can see that number 1 is quite darker, number 2 is darker again, and number 3 is more the homogeneous Bailey's type colour. So we're going to hold on to the sample and do some quality checks on it.